Freestyle. Haha. Chop me up and screw me. Chop me up and screw me. Haha. Yeah. 08. I'm loving this. I'm in the booth today. Yo.
Spittin', I love this track. I can't get enough. Bring me back. 1993 is where I be. Came on 89 Tippertronic. Straight Ebonics. Nah, I'm joking, I'm hooked on phonics. Chop me up and screw me.
Yo, check it. All freestyle is not written, so I do not write them. I come up from my head, I like them. Don't you understand? I jump, I mic them. I dance like Jackson, guess what? I mic them. Got my glove on, nope, but I don't really have a problem. So, I got no problemo. Switch it up, so I move so swift though. Move with haste, at a similar quick pace. I didn't understand when you gave me screw face. Chop me up and screw me and do what you want. ... LOL, MSN talk. Ha 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 ha, what you saying? BRB, I'll be right back later. This is the 8-track, see ya alligator. I'm coming soon with the cassette. Move.
Yeah, this is just a little dip in the gravy. A little grape out the fruit bowl. I'm loving it. Enjoy. Yeah. 08, Revelation Army. Brunky.